Hi guys, welcome back to Green Delights Kitchen. Today we're gonna learn how to make potatoes bombs. So it's in Italian it's called patate di bombe. Pretty much it's mashed potato with stuffing, whatever stuffing you have in your house. So if you have any mushroom leftover or any maybe ground beef, anything that you think you can find in your house, you can actually stuff those potatoes with whatever you have in your house. I'm gonna make those bombs potatoes with some mushroom. I had some mushroom left over, so why not? You guys gonna see a few steps. Obviously you're gonna boil the potatoes, which it's like 2-3 medium potatoes, and then you can boil them, let them cool off, smash them with the mashed potato or with a fork, whatever it is, whatever it's easy for you guys. On the side you guys can start to make your stuffing. A pan was just like a little ice cube of sofrito, and if you guys don't know how to make sofrito, no problem, you can go in one of my videos. I actually show to you guys how you can make your homemade sofrito, and you can check it out there. And so after I did that, I put 2-3 hands chopped mushrooms, and then I let them cook. I put a little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper, and then a little bit of parsley. I put them on the side to let them cool off, because you want all those ingredients, you want to make sure that they're cold, they're not too hot in your hands, or you might get burned. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how I'm going to do my dough with the potatoes. Okay, add the cup of flour little by little, because when you just put in the beginning like half a cup, you pretty much, put all the potatoes with the flour together. Then in the same time you add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and again you mix it up, everything nice, a little bit of salt, and then 1 egg, and you mix it up very well, and you will see that the dough will become kind of wet. So that's when you add the rest of the flour. Okay, so or else your hands, they're gonna be sticky and it's gonna be just a mess. After that, you just make a nice bowl, make sure that it's nice and everything gets combined properly, and then cover it up with plastic wrap, and then put it on the side for like just 10-15 minutes, just to give it a little rest of this potato dough. In the meantime, you start to get ready your ingredients, everything. You want to make sure that you have everything close to you, so that you don't have to do much back and forth. And then that's it. So I'm just gonna wait for now 10-15 minutes. I might have maybe a cup of coffee, and then I can start to roll this dough down. Okay. as you notice, I did put a little bit of mozzarella. Of course, you know, it's up to you if you want to add it or not. Obviously, I had it, and trust me, it's gonna be a bomb. This potato bomb, it's gonna be absolutely good. I made it small, but you can make it even bigger. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you, whatever you want to put. The stuffing, it's totally up to you. You can put anything you want: pancetta, bacon, ground beef, mushrooms, anything you want. Just, you know, make sure that you close very well the edges, because when you're gonna cook it, you don't want it that the bomb will explode and then all the stuffing is all over the place. One thing is that the beauty of this recipe is that you can cook this whatever you like it. Either you can deep fry, which is going to be absolutely good, definitely not healthy, or you can actually bake it. So if you want to bake it, you can just brush a little bit of oil on the top. Make sure that all the potato bomb is nice and covered with oil, and then you put it in the oven 350. It's 15-20 minutes, and then as soon you see that the potato bombs, they become nice and golden, that is the time that you need to put them out. If you want to fry it, which probably that's where I'm gonna go, if you put too much things in the oil, the oil temperature will drop, and so pretty much the potato bombs, they will just suck all that oil in. So you don't want that. You definitely want to have a little pot with a little bit of oil, just this much, and maybe you can deep fry like 2, 3, max 3 at a time. Up to you. If you want to put any grated cheese, any Parmigiano cheese, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is because it's gonna be absolutely good. And you can put a side of with salad or anything you want. Okay, so guys, this is the recipe that I showed you today. I really hope you guys gonna make it, because you can make this anytime, even if you don't have anything, like, you know, you might go crazy and say, okay, what am I gonna do? I got potatoes, I got this. Now you got a recipe that definitely you can put it to work. Remember guys, share this video with friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, and of course, you know, follow whatever recipe I make. I know that a lot of people, they've been following me, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy because that makes me that encouraged me to do more things, and hit that notification button, and definitely next time we're gonna learn something different. For now guys, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you next time. Bye, ciao.